In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take profits on crypto.com, guiding you through the process of selling your cryptocurrency and managing your gains effectively. Whether you're looking to convert your crypto assets to fiat currency, hold them in stablecoins, or utilize take profit orders, I'll provide a clear path to navigate through each of these options. To begin, you'll want to log into your crypto.com account. Once you're in, you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Select the digital asset that you're ready to part with and specify the amount you wish to sell. This is a crucial step because you're setting the stage for converting these digital assets into more tangible or stable forms like fiat currencies or stablecoins. Next, decide if you want to sell your cryptocurrency for fiat. If your choice is fiat, you'll convert your cryptocurrency into currencies like USD or EUR. This option is ideal if you plan on withdrawing these funds to your bank account. Alternatively, if you prefer keeping your profits within the digital realm, consider selling your crypto for a stablecoin, such as USDT or USDC. Stablecoins offer the advantage of minimizing the risks associated with market volatility, serving as a perfect middle ground for those who remain invested in the crypto market yet want to protect their profits. Now, let's talk about withdrawing your profits. If you've sold for fiat, you can easily withdraw your funds into your linked bank account. However, if you've chosen the stablecoin route, you can transfer these to an external crypto wallet. Navigate to the crypto wallet section in the crypto.com app, hit transfer, then select withdraw, followed by external wallet, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. For those of you who want to automatically take profits at a designated price point, setting up take profit orders on the derivatives exchange might be the preferred solution. Begin by accessing the advanced trading options when you're placing a new order. Toggle on the take profit feature, enter your target price to lock in your gains, and finally review and confirm your order to execute it. Finally, let's delve into some profit-taking strategies. One popular method is laddering out, where you gradually sell small portions of your crypto holdings as prices rise, maximizing returns while retaining some market exposure. Alternatively, you could sell all at once when a certain price target is achieved. While this method could yield higher profits, it also comes with increased exposure to risk. Always consider market conditions and set achievable goals by analyzing historical data. And crucially, don't overlook your tax obligations. Ensure you understand the fiscal implications of your transactions and keep those top of mind as you navigate your investing journey. Thank you for watching. Remember, when it comes to taking profits, strategy, patience, and planning are vital. Follow these steps on crypto.com and you'll be well on your way to successfully managing your cryptocurrency profits.